What do you do after you just got an oil change, or maybe much later after you got an oil change, and your car says oil measurement level low? If it just says oil level minimum reached low, you may continue on your drive, even if you're in the middle of the desert and you're trying to go to Las Vegas. Unfortunately, the car does not have a dipstick. Lots of car companies are moving away from dipsticks. They emit a greater emission from their crankcase. What do you do in the situation that is put upon us where you don't have a dipstick, the car says it's low, you just got an oil change, and you're wondering if the mechanic actually put oil in the car or not? A couple things that you can check. One, you could pull up live data on the right screen, and you go into vehicle, you scroll through the thumb wheel on the steering wheel, and you go to vehicle, and then it'll show you engine oil temp, coolant temp, and PSI. The PSI is the oil pressure inside the engine. If it's idling and the car's hot, it's at 20 PSI, you're good. If it's under 10 PSI, you may have a problem. You might be under full, and then you really have a problem. You're not checking the level, you're checking whether or not there's enough in it to create pressure. You want to kind of aim somewhere around 20 PSI when the car's idling, when it's hot. The number will be different if the engine is not warmed up yet. The oil will be thicker, so the number will be higher. If the car's really hot and it's really hot outside, it's 115 degrees outside, and you've been driving it for a long time, 15 PSI might be normal. This is a 2014 Porsche Boxster. It says oil level minimum reached. The oil fill is on the right rear of the trunk. The coolant fill is on the left rear of the trunk. You want to be very careful because the customer's garments are in here. And we are going to add 1 quart of engine oil to the engine. 1 quart, and then get that out of here. Okay, so a couple things about this process. This process is done electronically. There's no dipstick, so there's an electronic dipstick. It's mounted in the engine block, and it has to see a temperature to report accurate oil level. As these cars age, the temperature, the system that operates the oil level checking, it degrades through time. And so what can happen is you can have an oil change done, drain all the oil out, refill the oil with cold oil, and you can give it back to the customer, and all the lights are out, everything's good. 20 days later, after it checked itself enough times and went through enough heat cycles, it didn't like the level that was put in it. It liked it 20 days ago, but 20 days later, it doesn't like it. If you just got an oil change by a reputable mechanic and that light goes on, you're in a situation where the mechanic shop is closed or the dealer's closed and it's Sunday afternoon. What do you do? First thing to do would be to check the oil PSI. If you're at 20, continue on with your drive, do nothing. Go back to the dealer or the mechanic the next day, the next hour they're open, and have them top it off. If it's been a long time since an oil change, you can still continue on your drive if it just says oil level minimum reached. That just means that you're a quart low. It doesn't mean that you're 5 quarts low or 6 quarts low. They hold between 7 and 9 quarts. It just means that you're 1 quart low. That's it. If you like this, follow, like, and subscribe.